Hello, my name is Yasmin Garcia Hernandez, and I'll be talking about concrete. There's a style that is dedicated in its use with concrete, which is brutalism. Brutalism is often seen in government structures, which tend to be more large, blocky, and intimidating in its size. It's also very versatile, so you can make walls that are made out of concrete, really about anything, building structures, um, parking structures, bridges, and skyscrapers, really about anything. Since it can handle a lot of tensile stress, it's often used for large and tall buildings. And because of its high mass, vibrations tend to be lower in facilities that are made up of concrete, which I would say is very helpful for, in hospitals. Also, because of its high mass, it improves sound insulation. So a lot of the sound that is made within a facility does not escape. In terms of structural integrity and durability, it can withstand a lot of earthquakes, wind, and snow actions. It can resist colder climates and warmer climates. It's also pretty fire resistant. Concrete doesn't burn and does not emit any toxic fumes when subjected to fire, so I guess you could call it fireproof. With age, however, it can harden, but after a couple decades it may degrade, so it may need to be rejuvenized after a certain amount of time. With its reactions and relationships, if exposed to Claret ions, it can cause a rebar corrosion, which pretty much causes steel to corrode. Also, there may be a alkali silica reaction, which occurs if aggregates containing reactive silica materials interact with the concrete. This reaction releases some type of gel that swells as it draws water from the concrete paste. It absorbs it, it absorbs the water, which then causes the gels to induce pressure, creating cracks within the concrete. So, depending on what it interacts with, there will be damage. So, yeah, that's my presentation. Thank you for listening.